Creative Stampers. I'm so excited to share with you a new card kit that I have for the month of February. Now this card kit is only going to be available February 1st, that's today, and up to the 10th, okay? Now there's a couple of things I want to tell you about this card kit that's different from all my other card kits. First of all, I am only going to include the paper, the bling, and the ribbon, along with all of the pieces that you need to put the cards together, the tutorial and the video. That's what the kit is. Now, to create the cards, however, you're also going to need the stamp set, the dies, and a few other things. And I want to tell you that those things are going to be purchased separately. So the kit, I will collect your money, and then I will get all of the product that I need, and I will put the kits together at home, and then I will ship them out to you. To create the cards, though, you are also going to need the Flowering Boots stamp and dies. You're going to need blending brushes, and you're going to need the new layering masks, the flowering layering masks. And this card kit is to show you how to use these masks. We're going to make some really beautiful cards with them. So there will be a link to these items through my Stampin' Up! Store. So those are going to be ordered separately. The card kit includes the bling, the ribbon, the paper, all of the cardstock cut and prepped for you for 8 cards. You will need to get the stamp set and the dies, the blending brushes, and the masks through my shop separately, okay? Now, I'm doing this because Stampin' Up! Has a policy, and they don't want us selling product that's non-consumable through our own devices. So I have switched up my card kit this way so that I can advertise it on my blog as well as my YouTube channel here. So I'm really excited about this card class. I have sent out an email about it. I have a blog page about it, and now I'm doing this video about it. So hopefully you'll understand how different it is from my kits before. One more time so you understand. The card kit will give you enough material to create 2 of each of these cards, and I'm going to write the instructions out, plus I'm going to do a video on how to create these cards. The kit will also include, besides all of the paper, all of the cardstock and pieces I'll cut out for you, like this scalloped rectangle would be cut out for you and have enough for 8 cards. In your kit, you'll also get this beautiful white crinkly ribbon, which is really fun because you can color it any color you want. I'm using it as a white ribbon in my example, but you could color it any color. And then the polished dots also, they come in the polished pink, I'm sorry, not polished pink, petal pink and clear, and you can color these clear ones with any of the alcohol markers and create whatever color you want. So it's great items there. So that is what the kit will include. And you will pay through PayPal unless you need another way to pay, and just message me and we can talk about another way. But PayPal is the easiest for me. And like I said, I will have links to my Stampin' Up! Shop, and you will order this part separately, and this part will just be shipped directly to you from Stampin' Up! Okay? I hope that makes sense, and I hope you enjoyed this card class. I'm looking forward to putting them together for you. Okay? Bye-bye.